Hi everyone, myself Ashu Sharma. Today we will discuss how to download Eclipse in easy way. So first we will open a web browser. Type here Eclipse. Don't click on this www.eclipse.org. Come little bit down and click on this eclipseid.org. Click on other packages. I am downloading 2022 12 version for security reason. You can download different version also. So you can click any version. Little bit come down and you will see different types of Eclipse version. You can click any of versions. So but remember one thing, you have to click on AR64 version of macOS. So I am click on this. Select another mirror. I am selecting this China because it's near to me. So your download will be start in 1 or 2 seconds. So I already downloaded it, so I am cancelling it. So here is the Eclipse downloaded file, that same 549 MB. Double click on it, you will see this icon. Don't merge into application, keep in the same folder where you keep the downloaded file. So I already placed in the same thing, and so next time you will come, just click on this Eclipse and it's take few seconds and it's open. Thank you so much.